Okay guys, it's Saturday evening. If you guys can see, nice beautiful sunset and the birds flying. But yeah, we're working on the Impala, the 95 right now. Changing these shocks, man. But check this out, look how dirty that one is. It's straight blown. I already changed the back ones. I didn't show you guys or anything, but you know, this thing's been neglected throughout the years. That's why I got it for a good price. But we're putting these Monroes in right now, so let me show you guys. So, putting these Monroes in. Let's see if it'll focus. Whatever, but you see what I'm saying. So, I'm gonna see if I can put this in with you guys here with me. Let's see what happens here. So, pretty simple, straightforward, you guys already know. So, let's see what happens here. So you see all that goop that came off of it? That shock was straight blown. The other one is too. I'm not going to show you guys that one in the video because you guys know how to do that already. But, you know, put the washer on the bottom, put the rubber in the middle. All you guys gotta do is just slide this up through here. Usually I don't even take these wheels off of the car, you know. Let me see if I can get this in here. Okay, there you go. So, like I said, it's just 2 bolts. You guys know how they go on. So let's see if I can get it through the hole. Get it through the hole. Okay, so we're in right there, and if you guys don't know that, it's you know, you gotta actually force this up here, you know, if you're gonna do it like how I do it. So I'm gonna see if I can get this with you guys all at the same time. So let me see. Actually, I'm not gonna be able to see. You guys got to wait. Hold on. Okay, you guys, so what I did is I got a jack and just put it on the little ear, if you guys can see. Just jack it up on the ear right there. And it'll just assist with it. I already got it up there. I don't really need to show you guys too much. You guys see me already. You can see. Just jack it up on that ear right there. Let's see if I can do it. You see what I mean? That's how I do them, you know. Like I said, I usually don't even take off the wheel, but otherwise that's it pretty much. I gotta do the top, so hold on. So just tighten those bolts, you guys, after you get them, you know, situated. Nothing too special here. You guys know how to change shocks, I hope. Yeah, a one-hander. Whoops. It's going the other way. Whoops. That's pretty much it, you guys. So you guys get the idea. That's done. Okay, so I'm done here. I just gotta do the top. So, you know, put a little rubber piece, then put this, and then the nut on there. The nut. So that's it, you guys. You guys know how to do this. Hopefully you do. Not the best instructor, but I'm trying. Later, you guys. Monroes.